Thank you, India, for hosting us.
So there's a breakout groups. People are choosing particular problem areas they are interested in, and through a brainstorming exercise we are identifying what are the solutions that will be high impact but can be achieved with low effort.
Here we are discussing about the concept of One Health, that is the interaction between the human health, animal health, environment and that ecosystem.
Yesterday we had problems that we are encountering now, and now we are discussing on the solutions to these problems and what recommendations we can just suggest for in this C20 is what we are just working on now.
So this is like a fine-tuning of our zero draft, which in the next 1.5 months will be rediscussed and solutions will be fine-tuned and to reach conclusions.
At the end of these meetings, we aim to have certain specific policies focusing on 3 areas: financing, technology, how to use technology for prevention and control of NCDs, and the community, how we can engage the community in the prevention and control of non-communicable disease.
We want them to give attention to mental health issues, to pass policies that will help to reduce psychological disturbances, to reduce suicides, and to promote positive mental well-being and mental strength.
And there's a very beautiful saying in English, prevention is better than cure. On the curative side, we have medication. But on the prevention side, yoga and meditation.
We have focused on access to better, holistic, integrated care. And we are going with hope because we know what we can do to do better.